Do you keep getting messages on WhatsApp from a certain person but do not want to block them? I will show you how to stop receiving notifications without fully blocking them. Watch until the end, there's a useful tip waiting for you. So let's get started. First, just open the WhatsApp on your device probably and find the contact whose messages you no longer want to receive at the moment. Just click and hold the chat with this person and tap on the bell icon right there, which is crossed out, and a menu with action options will appear. You will be offered mute duration options. Select always right there, for example, to stop getting notifications from this contact. And you can also archive this conversation. Just go back, click and hold the chat, and tap on this box with an arrow to archive the chat. This will remove the chat from the active list, but it will remain accessible in the archive if you ever need to return to it. And also you can adjust general WhatsApp notification settings in the Settings app to make them less intrusive. And also check that the chats are archived and notifications no longer bother you. And also as a bonus tip, if you want to start receiving notifications from the person again, just open the archive, click and hold the chat and unarchive it by clicking on this icon. Again, tap and hold it and tap on the bell icon right there. So this is pretty much it. If this video was helpful for you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That gives me motivation to create even more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.